My name is Paul Taylor and I'm a director for Keat Farm Parks. Customers desire a high standard of facilities when they are away from home, and as such that's why we're constantly looking at improving elements of our parks. I am pleased to announce the introduction of a new toilet and shower facility at Quex Holiday Park in Birchington. Obviously more modern, up to date, more spacious, more facilities in place for everybody. The new facility has improved shower and toilet areas and the addition of an accessible wet room. The building is fully insulated and benefits from central heating throughout, allowing it to be used for a longer period of time throughout the season. Quex Holiday Park is located near Margate in Kent, so ideally situated for access to many of the local beaches and tourist attractions, and easy access to the rest of Kent and into London. To book your next getaway at Quex Park, please visit our website at www.keatfarm.co.uk. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.